And I also would like to take this opportunity to thank our parents for their support on our Happy Feet competition. Last week, we had nearly more than 700 kids participated in our Happy Feet competition, and in that, the top students have been performed, and some of their videos are already there in our Instagram video. So my request to the parents, whoever listening over here, if time permits, please do listen to our see our Instagram videos. You will know about amazing performances of our kids. And also I will take this opportunity to thank the franchisee owners who have taken very seriously on this competition with our masters to make it happen. So excellent show done by our students. It is there in our Rock official Instagram channel. You will be able to take it forward. Yeah, sound please.
Hey, Malaya, mama. Jalanaba, jalagalaba, salamalay, mulla tulluba.
Amazing, amazing. Sanjana, how are you enjoying the dance? Dance பிடிச்சிருக்கா?
பிடிச்சிருக்கு.
Online sessions எப்படி இருக்கு?
நல்லா இருக்கு.
நல்லா இருக்கா? சரிங்க சார். Sir, can I have one question to you, sir?
Sure.
Sir, how are you feeling, sir, about our online sessions? Because due to this pandemic, we completely transformed from offline to online sessions. As a parent, maybe you can share some of your experiences to us, sir. It will be motivating for all our masters and to take it forward, sir. Please.
Oh, sure, sir. See, it was during the lockdown time. My daughter, she had nothing to do during the evenings. She was doing something on her own. First, it didn't strike for us. We were just watching it. At one point of time, we thought she's taking so much of interest, and only one thing we realized is that lacking some sort of guidance. So, but she was ready to do the hard work, and that's the time we approached RAC. Once we approached RAC, things changed completely. Now also she's dancing on her own, but she knows the direction now where she has to go.
Awesome.
And we are confident. I mean, we're very happy to be associated with RAC. Okay, and we are associated with Avadi branch.
Awesome.
The master is also good. Pradeep master, he is very friendly, and I see the students are enjoying. Not only my daughter. Sometimes I see the online class. This online class is something really good. Like 1 hour of class, and they are able to teach, and they give some homework, and children are learning. And something interesting I want to share. I was happy initially. I thought that my daughter is doing well, but sometime back you all had a competition. I just want to
Yes.
speak to you regarding that.
Yes, please.
I was really happy. I think that things are going in a good direction. But that competition is big eye opener, not for students but for the parents.
Yeah.
Initially we were not, I mean, disappointed for not getting the prize, but we watched the performance of the other students, and as I said, no, it's eye opener for kids. Now, we have to do a lot to take her to the next level. It's a kind of eye opener. I would say it's a wake up call for all parents.
Yeah.
I don't know whether others agree or not. Definitely, it's a wake up call for me. I was happy that I mean, everything is cool, settled down. No, I have to do a lot of things now. To take her to the next level. The best thing is that the people who teach, the institute where we join is very important.
Yes.
But I would confidently say that there is no institute better than RAC. I can take a
Thank
bet
you.
on that.
Thank you. Thank you very
Okay,
much, sir.
and thank you all for one thing is obvious. You are some kind of what do you say? You are very much focused on taking students, to the next level. So that is very much obvious from the programs. What I see from the pattern. What
Excellent, sir.
I see. Yeah, and you are very much focused towards taking students to the next level and what they have seen earlier, what they have not experienced before, and which they are also going to enjoy a lot. That is for sure. And
Thank you.
we see people are going to achieve a lot of things which nobody's achieved. Everything. We'll see first of its kind. So that kind of performance we are going to see from the students. That's it. Happy to
Thank you.
be associated with the rack, and thanks for the wake up call. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. So nice of you.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Um, let me invite Ashwin Ram, who is studying in 7th grade, and he's studying in the school Velamal Vidyalaya. And again, he belongs to Avadi branch, and he belongs to the Senior Kids Weekend batch. So we are looking forward to connect with Ashwin to take it forward.
Oh, she will talk about.
Can I request to spotlight Ashwin Ram and song, please?
In the gangster's paradise.
In the gangster's paradise,
In the gangster's paradise.
keep spending most our lives living in the gangster's paradise. Been spending most their lives living in the gangster's paradise. Keep spending most our lives living in the gangster's paradise. We keep spending most our lives living in the gangster's paradise. Tell me why are we so blind to see that the ones we've hurt are you and me? Tell me why are we so blind to see that the ones we've hurt are you and me? Keep spending most our lives living in the gangster's paradise. Been spending most their lives living in the gangster's paradise. We keep most our lives living in the gangster's paradise. We keep spending most our lives living in the gangster's paradise.
In the gangster's paradise.
In the gangster's paradise.
In the gangster's paradise.
In the gangster's paradise. Keep spending most our lives living in the gangster's paradise. Been spending most their lives living in the gangster's paradise. We keep spending most our lives living in the gangster's paradise. We keep spending most our lives living in the gangster's paradise. Spending most their lives living in the gangster's paradise. We keep spending most our lives living in the gangster's paradise. We keep spending most our lives living in the gangster's paradise.
Awesome, awesome, Ashwin. Kudos. It's a brilliant dance. So I'm going to ask you a few questions to you. Can I? So how are you enjoying the online classes, Ashwin?
Yes, it's very nice.
Very nice. Good.
And I see the master too, like near me. What is it?
Awesome, awesome. And I like your t-shirt. I like your round neck shirt, which clearly indicates that rockstar team. So it's a brilliant. So is it been selected by master or is it selected by you?
Father.
Father. Good, good, good. So are you enjoying the online classes?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Thank you. Thank you very much. You did an amazing job. Do you really want to share something to your master through this?
Master, love you, master.
Okay, super. Kudos. Kudos. Thank you. Thank you, Ashwin. Thank you to Ashwin's parents for supporting Ashwin to be part of our Rock family. And he has an amazing talent. We wish to Rock wishing him to achieve greater heights in the future. Thank you, Ashwin, for wonderful initiative. Good
Thank you,
job.
master.
Thank you. So now we have come to the most important part of it. Today we are having an amazing speaker. When I was studying in school and university, this name was very popular in our college as well as in our university. And I have read his books in depth. Can I request to spotlight the guest, please? And today I'm going to introduce our esteemed speaker for the day, Mr. M.B. Nirmal. He's globally known motivator, innovator, change maker, author, writer, mind programmer, humorist, orator, trainer, environmentalist, social reformer, and a social activist. He is the founder of Exnora Innovators International, which he founded in 1989 with the aim to realize a cleaner, greener, and more environment-friendly world. Now, after 28 years of its existence, it has grown into a widespread movement covering many parts of India and several countries abroad. Being an extremely socially conscious person, he has founded organizations like Innoventions, Fifth Pillar, and MA. But the most important thing which I really liked about him is that the book named Tadai Karkal, which I have read in the past, and most important signature thing which he has kickstarted is One Earth, One Light in 1978. That was a biggest eye opener for the government itself to bring the light to the huts. We wish to have you over here, sir. It's honor for Rack Academy of Dance to have Mr. Nirmal as a guest for the Rock Talks. Over to you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Divakar. I was enjoying the whole program, and only thing I felt was rather I should have been. I'm a little old now. I mean, to learn. Okay, it was very good, interesting, and as she said, the book name is Tadai Karkale Padikarkal. I'll tell you the titles of my books: பிரச்சனைகளே பரிசுகள், சோதனைகளே சாதனைகள், சொல்லுங்கள், வெல்லுங்கள், மாறுங்கள், மாற்றுங்கள், மகிழுங்கள். These are all the titles of my book. I think you would have understood I'm an incurable optimist with undying, unquenchable, unshakable, unstoppable optimism, and I'm a chronic optimist. I believe in never say die, never give up. These two attitudes I have. I don't see walls, I see only doors. In case I see a wall, I give a kick, it crumbles. Very late I understood the walls are not there, it's only the mind. So in my 7 Sense program, I teach how you can open your mental locks, overcome mental blocks. The real enemies, the enemies within us are mental locks and mental blocks. So this, I really enjoyed the children. No, immediately I thought, Tadai Karkale Padikarkal. I want to tell Ramana, today, I don't know, you know it or not, Grandparents' Day. My wife asked when this program will be over. I said it will be over in 45 minutes. Because my grandchildren are going to thank me from Washington, D.C. My son's children, daughter's children. But you know how the hurdles have become stepping stones for Ramana. You send some of your clipping. I will ask all my grandchildren to join your program. See, this Corona has opened many gates, floodgates. You don't know what I am wearing. I am wearing a lungi dhoti. I'm so comfortable. Normally, it's not possible. I'm just relaxing. Every day I have 1 or 2 webinars. I think this one very less attended. I addressed SRM. I think more than they had some special app and 1,000 people nearly. Stella Maris, W. I mean, almost every day. I can tell you that this Corona's enabled me to reach more people than it was what I used to do before. And I used to be called very often by Mr. Lakshmi Narayan of CTS, Cognizant. So from here I go all the way to OMR, about 1.5 hours for going there and coming back 1.5 hours, and talk for 1.5 hours. But when you go to the hall, huge hall, only 10 people will be there. Ask them why so less. We send only a flyer, we don't compel. Then I told him, why you compel me? The point is, I found I don't need to go out at all. I can reach thousands only through social media, the Zoom and all. Zoom is a boom, okay? I request all of you, I'm 78 now, okay? And I'm diabetic last 50 years. And I had Corona. And people are scared, it's called comorbid. It didn't affect me at all. I came out scratch free, okay? So I tell you that it's all in the mind. Thoughts find their way. Powerful thoughts break mountains. I told you the mountains are inside your mind. I don't call anybody bad because many of you are teachers there. Somebody is bad, I call him, he has been programmed to be bad, which means jolly well you can reprogram him. So I happen to reprogram some of the hardcore thugs. I don't call them like that. A person called Velle Ravi or 21 murders, Chara, 19 murders, and Ayudikum, Veeramani, all reformed by me. Some of them dropouts. But what I want to say, they are bad because of the inputs. When you change the inputs, output changes. They all became very good. Because one person of Central Madras, very hardcore, he's one of the persons who's planting trees every day. So I'm giving you this positive inputs, but I want to go to the subject straight. The தம்பி குருவி கதை சொன்னாரு. அந்த குருவி கதையை வந்து சின்னதா ஒரே நிமிஷம் கதையா சொல்றேன். ஒரு பெரிய குடிசை பகுதி தீப்பிடிச்சி எரியுது. அப்போ ஒரு கழுகு வேடிக்கை பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கு. ஒரு சிட்டுக்குருவி வந்து தன்னுடைய அலகுல தண்ணி எடுத்துட்டு போய் ஊத்துது. 10 டைம்ஸ் ஊத்துது. அப்ப கழுகு சிரிக்குது. பைத்தியக்கார குருவி, இது எவ்வளவு பெரிய தீ, இப்படி சிறு அலகுல கொண்டு போய் அணைக்க முடியாத, இது உனக்கு தெரியலையேன்னுது. உன்னை கழுகு சொல்லுது, குருவி சொல்லுது, அண்ணாச்சி உங்களுக்கு ஒண்ணு தெரியல, ஏழைங்களா ஆபத்து வந்துருக்குது, அங்க மேல ஆண்டவன் உட்காந்து யார் யார் உதவி பண்ண லிஸ்ட் போடுறான், அந்த லிஸ்ட்ல என் பேர் இருக்காது இல்லையான்னு சொல்லுது. அந்த லிஸ்ட்ல என் பேர் இருக்காதுன்னு. அந்த கதை புரிஞ்சுக்க நினைக்கிறேன். யாராவது ஹெல்ப் பண்ணா உடனே you have to go and help them. That's all I want to say. All good things begin with me. I want to suggest straight away before going to subject. You call them agents or franchise holders? What do you call them? The people? How many of them you have?
We are calling them as a franchises.
Franchises, how many?
15 franchises are there.
Okay, what I suggest, they cannot call me by turns, okay?
Yeah.
I'll straight away tell one idea how you can, this Rock Academy can become big, and how the franchise holders become double their business, double or even more than that. It is called a concept called servant sell. There are 3 kinds of sellers. The first seller sells and relaxes. Now, yours also a product, okay? And who sells and relaxes, if you see the category, don't have competition. Once the telephones, Government of India, BSNL was like that. But today, so much of competition. Second seller is little smarter. He sells and serves his clients. So you put a deposit, I send you a reminder, and take care of it when you come to the bank. And all the best seller, he doesn't sell at all. Keep serving. When he keeps serving, suppose all your branches, they keep serving the service area, rendering service, then you don't need to propagate about you. Because they'll come to know you, they'll come to know you are good. First you become visible and they'll come to you, more students will join. That's all I wanted to say. So I used this technique, servant sell, this was created by me in Tanambit IOB, where the business in 3 years grew by nearly 3000%. And I got the best manager of the country award from VPC. So small idea, servant sell. So I'm not going in detail because I saw so many branches. What is the service you will provide is a topic for the day, okay? Today we are sitting on a time bomb, about climate change. Very often we read in the paper, the optimists and pessimists have their own views on climate change. Pessimists say in 20 years, the planet life will be over. The optimists say you are wrong. You are wrong. It's 40 years. So the kids and all who danced 40 years, they'll all be 55 or 60. They'll be still alive. So the planet is becoming unlivable because of all of us. All of us. It's an old story. A king constructed a tank in which he wanted every citizen to pour a liter of milk. The old story. And everybody does it. King sees from his first floor, so happy, excited. Next time he opens it, he sees only water. Because everyone thinks others are going to pour milk. If I pour water, how is it going to affect? Everyone thinks so. So everyone thinks if I pollute, how it's going to change the world. These are all good things begin with me. I want to share one of my own quotes. You'll enjoy. Don't forget this quote. Stop preaching. Start doing. The world will be less by one scoundrel, at least you. All of us. Tamil பேசலாம், இங்கிலீஷ்ல பேசலாமா? Tamil or English?
Sir, both sir, Tamil and English.
You can
Okay.
speak language, sir. You can speak.
Okay. அதாவது ஊருக்கு உபதேசிப்பதை நிறுத்தி விட்டு முதலில் நீ கடைபிடி. உலகத்தில் அயோக்கிய எண்ணிக்கையில ஒன்னாவது எல்லாரும் we are very good in preaching. ஒரு எதிர்க்க வருவான், எல்லோ லைனை கட் பண்ணுவான், சொல்லிட்டு வந்துட்டியான்னு கேட்பான், நம்ம சொல்லுவோம். அப்புறம் அடுத்தது நம்மள எல்லோ லைனை கட் பண்ணுவோம். So the rules are only for others, not for us. So myself, my wife decided long ago, we are not great like Vallur or Vasigi. I'm not Gandhi. I don't wish to be Gandhi because for the fear of being shot dead. But I want to say, that we are little different than average man. Okay, that's all. That's enough. So we are sitting on a, the children dance. They must go and persuade the parents. The parents have done everything. தமிழ்ல சொல்றேன், குழந்தை பிறந்த உடனே என்ன தராங்க? தாய்ப்பால் தராங்க. அது பேர் பலம், பலம், பலம் கொடுக்குறாங்க. அப்புறம் பக்தி, சாமி கும்பிடணும் கற்றுக் கொடுக்குறாங்க. அப்புறம் பண்புகள், அங்கிள் வராரு, குட் ஈவினிங் சொல்லு, குட் மார்னிங் சொல்லு. அந்த குழந்தைங்களாம் ரொம்ப இன்டெலிஜென்ட், வரும்போதே டாடா சொல்லிடும். அடுத்தது படிப்பு, நல்ல ஸ்கூல்ல போய் கையில காலில் விழுந்து படிப்பு சொல்லி தராங்க. அப்புறம் பணம் சேர்க்கறாங்க. ஏன்னா யார் போய் இதுல கட்டுறது? எஸ்ஆர்எம்ல போய் பணம் சேர்க்கறாங்க. எல்லாம் முடிஞ்சு வேலை கிடைக்கல, பதவி தர்றாங்க. 6 பாவை பெட்ரோல்லாம் சொல்லுங்க, 6 ரூபாய் எல்லா பெட்ரோலும் செய்யறாங்க. இன் அடிஷன் ராக் ஆயிடும் டான்ஸ் கற்றுக் கொடுக்குறாங்க. ஓகே, ஆனா 7வது பா ஒன்று இருக்கு, அது அவங்க செய்யறது இல்லை. 7வது பா என்ன சொல்லுங்க? இப்படிலாம் மைக் மியூட் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க, சொல்லுங்க 7வது பா. ஓகே, நான் சொல்றேன், பசுமை, பசுமை, பசுமை. இப்போ இந்தியாவில் every 2 seconds a child dies not drinking water but drinking poison. That's the situation now. How do you think it's going to improve when all the children grow into adults? Because all of us, we don't take responsibility. Miseries are not due to the violence of the bad but silence of the good. Vast majority are good but are silent. I think it's very bad. So it should not be silent. So I'm interested, if the children want, we can introduce an activity through them. They will do it in their home. It's not any extra activity. What they do already, they need to do. That's all. That's what all good things begin with me, in my home, in my home. Because the point is, today I told you about climate change. How it can fight climate change? You can't fight anywhere else except your own home, because planet is our only home. If you want to save our only home, the planet, you have to do something in the home. So my home, for example, you want to show the video? It's ready. Videos. Divakar?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
First video, can you show it?
1 minute.
The 3 videos are more than sufficient my talk.
1 minute, sir. You continue. I'm just pulling
Okay.
the video.
So what I wanted to say, I think something happened in my life. I want to say, we belong to a very filthily rich family. My grandfather had, today's worth will be some 20,000 crores in and around Chennai. We owned about 12 houses. And we had our own bus transport, dairy farm and all. But when I was a young person like you, my father did not give me any property, gave me only 15 lakhs debts. Everything was lost in business. So my mother, Jewish proverb, God cannot be there everywhere. They say created mother. My goddess, my mother said, still I have some pride, sense of pride. Nirmal, can you find that we go to our own home? I told mom, already I am 15 lakhs debts, you try. Then I found a house, 1971. For 45,000 rupees, the bank only gave me 45,000 rupees. I was surrounded by slum. So people are shell shocked when they saw me. Because தெருவில் எல்லாம் டாய்லெட் போறாங்க, ரோடெல்லாம் குப்பை மேலே, சாண குவியல், சாக்கடை குட்டை. அப்போ வந்து எங்கள் அத்தை வந்து அழுதாங்க, வாழ்ந்து விழுந்துட்டீங்களே, நிர்மல் நல்ல இடத்துக்கு போக முடியாதான்னு கேட்டாங்க. இதான் நீங்க நிறைய சொன்னீங்க, சீக்ரெட் புக், லா ஆஃப் அட்ராக்ஷன். நம்ம சொல்ற வார்த்தைகள், நீங்க யாரையும் யோகிக்கலாம் போகணும், நீ சொல்ற பாசிட்டிவ் வார்த்தைகளே உங்களுக்கு சரிப்படுத்தும். நான் அத்தை கிட்ட சொன்னேன், ஐ கான்ட் கோ டு எ பெட்டர் பிளேஸ், ஐ கேன் மேக் திஸ் பிளேஸ் பெட்டர். தட்ஸ் ஆல் ஐ டிட். ஓகே, அந்த வீடியோ பார்க்கணும் சொல்லிடுறேன், அப்புறம் நீங்க ப்ளே பண்ணுங்க. அதுக்கப்புறம் ஐ ஸ்டார்டட் மை ஜேர்னி வித் 1700 ஸ்லம் டோலர்ஸ். ரோட்லேயே டாய்லெட் போறாங்க. உடனே நான் பண்ண டாய்லெட் கட்டினேன். மெனி திங்ஸ் வி டூ வித்வுட் கன்சல்டிங் த பீப்புள். ஓகே, அந்த டாய்லெட் கட்டி நிறைய பேர் வெளியே போறாங்க. அவங்க சொன்னாங்க, சார் 1700 பேர் இருக்கும், இங்க ஒரு 5 கியூபிக்கல்ஸ் தான் இருக்கு, எப்படி எவ்வளவு பேர் அட்டன் பண்ண முடியும்? I'm also a wordsmith, like goldsmith. I coined words. I coined a word called joylet. Joylet, we had carom board, books to read, newspapers, music, all those things outside, wash basin and all. People, until we give them a token, until the turn comes, they'll have some diversion of mind. Somebody asked me, can I take a book inside the toilet? I said, I'll kill you. Okay, this all went on well, but children did not buy this idea. Still they were answering call of nature. And we were really we asked the children, we have a beautiful toilet, why do you? Said we are afraid to go inside. So it gave an idea. We created toilet, TOYLET, with rocking horse, rocking swan, and we had a shelf called Toy Joy. The affluent children give toys to poor children. We gave a blackboard, and what was the children avoiding became a place where they'll all join. Am I right, see? அப்புறம் ஆக்சுவலி 1 or 2 more things. ஸ்லம் படம் பார்க்க போறீங்க, அதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன ஆச்சுன்னா அந்த டாய்லெட் எல்லாம் அவாய்ட் பண்றாங்க. ஸோ ஐ வாண்ட் டு இன்டகிரேட் த பீப்புள். ஐ வாண்ட் டு டெல் யூ அகைன். Don't blame people. If somebody doesn't cooperate, as a leader, the onus burden is on you. So I want to integrate the people. So what I did, I constructed a big hall on the first floor. I told the women 10 to 1 can come and learn some occasions. 4 to 6 children will come for tuition. 6 to 8 they will play, reading newspapers. 8 to 10 indoor game. 9 to 10 morning to 6 old people will come to take shelter there. So what happened? All people are integrated the toilet. It became a place where they will gather. It's called toy lot. Okay. Lastly, I'll tell you, there are 24 kinds with one word, toilet. Next is toilet. So Rotary said we are willing to give 3,000 rupees per toilet for individual toilets in the poor area. People said not sufficient. I said 3,000 they'll give you, 2,000 rupees you give a sweat and toil. You give a shramdan. They did it. That's all. I'll tell you, just using the word toilet, you create so many toilets. I don't want to tell long about it, but I think that video will play. Let us see the video. The video is about the slum area where I moved, how it got. In this, all good things begin with me. You will say a sky farm, terrace vertical farm. Today, people are home, they can do this. Come on, begin it. So you'll see in this picture how it was before, how it changed.
Meanwhile, I'm going to ask you some questions, sir. Is that fine, sir?
Okay. I don't want to say I was born Mother Teresa and all. I don't want to cheat you.
Okay.
I had a problem. I went to solved it. I thought, Tamil slow, yam petra inbam peruga vayagam. What I achieved there, I made a global blueprint, that's all. But I want to say, before that, the best service rendered by me was much before that. I went to a village, one night, one light, you said.
Yes.
I saw a poor Dalit girl studying under the street light. My daughter was going to Church Park in a car.
Okay.
I thought such a great invention of innovation, 19th century, did not reach many a home. So I gave an idea to the government, why not give one night, one light?
Okay.
This idea was implemented by me. Pandruti came, Pandruti here.
Yes.
And what happened was, on that day, I want the biggest, because 100 watts bulb you give them free, their face have become 1000 watts bulb. They all came and hugged me, kissed me, and they are still loyal to me. வீட்டில் விளக்கேற்றி வைக்கிறேன்னு சொல்லுவோம், அதை நான் பண்ணிட்டேன். First, I'm not able to break that record.
So the second point I have, sir, can I ask?
Please.
Sir, I have read your book in depth on Thadaikarkale Padikarkal, because I was working near Vijayaraghavan Road, so I know the Exnora office and how you have transformed that particular area 20 years ago. You would have faced lot of challenges, a lot of problems, and a lot of negativity thinking sometimes may get trigger into it, right, when we are doing on the social. How can we unblock those things? So that would be really helpful, even as a business owner, as a parent, sometimes where negative thinking is actually taking a precedence. It may be a COVID, or it may be any kind of a social activity. Even sometimes I'm struggling now for this video. Suddenly my thought is getting, we are not prepared enough to show the video. Something is going on. How to change that thought process? If you can cover it, that would be really great.
But kindly wait for some time. I want to tell you something. I'm a very positive person, but I want to tell you the truth. The truth was, those days we used to say, Ayirathil Oruvan, 1 out of 1,000 is good. Today, I want to tell all of you, 1 in a lakh only is good. I think this second video is coming. Okay. I'll give a small introduction about it. Come on, let it go, please. Okay, let it come. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Divakar, what we'll do, let us not waste time. It comes is okay. This is a second video. Second video, I need to move out from Giriyappa Road to a flat. And people always are negative. I'm going to answer your question. Your question is negativity. So people all, we love cricket. More than cricket, we love blaming others, blame game. So when I moved to Arrogant Majestic Towers, people said, you have been living in a house so far, but you're coming to a flat, that you're concrete jungle. And highly polluted area of Chennai, Coimbatore main road, connecting Kashmir to Kanyakumari with some 13 bus terminus, wholesale vegetable, flower, fruit market. I know well that I can't control the traffic, I can't reduce even one car, every day it's increasing. But what I did was, I made my flat an indoor, a jungle, the thousands of plants growing indoor. What I'm trying, all good things begin with me. you will see that video and how we manage it. If the video comes, well and good. But the audio is not coming.
Divakar, when you
Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir. Please. The
Okay.
brilliant video. Yeah.
How do you like it? Like it?
Yes.
So remember that. Stop preaching. Start doing. That's all. And let us not worry about others. Okay. Very simple. So the question, I'll tell you something about the flat, the garden, because I want to demonstrate this. Unfortunately, the first video did not come because what happened? My grandfather had about 1,000 acres of land. My father had 100 acres of land. I don't have even this much of land. Okay, so I made a vertical sky farm in Giriappa Road. I want to show that previous video. It didn't come actually. I want to tell all of you here. We saw a child dancing on the terrace. If you have 1,000 square feet, I guide you to make it 10,000 square feet without additional cost, without civil engineering. Okay, the vertical garden. What we do is, I'll show you. We keep a pipe like this long and put holes. There are so many kinds of. That means if you have 1 square foot, you can grow 30 plants. 30 plants. So you can multiply what you grow, organically grow your vegetables, and your domestic kitchen waste becomes compost. The water, I'll tell about water, even the flat, what we do for water. Water, if water is available for you, there is always water is available for the plants. So we call it water. Human beings, we say black, wheatish and white and all. Waste water are 3 color. One is grey color. Grey is when you wash vegetables, rice and all. It's a clean grey water. That only can use it for the plants. Plants would love them. Second is unclean grey water. When you wash your utensils and all, you can use organic soap powder. Sika powder, elimchambadol, sathagudi tol, orange tol, kaya vechi. And the straight jacket for plants. So grey water over. The black water is not toilet water. Suppose you live outside Chennai, you can have a septic tank. A septic tank we show you how you can convert the whole waste water good water. Good water is chedi kutala. That's bacteria vikranga. Bacteria, bacteria, third water, white water is bathroom kulikira water, phosphate. Naturally, what you call nothing is impossible. And the tani enna pannu or already water vittu side la vandu endha chedikku kelangu the plants which have what you call bulbs like colocasia, canas, ginger idella or 6 vechingena adu apdiye phosphate urinjirum and end la kidla chinna tank kadichtingna alla oda thanni full clean ah irukum aga enna aayithuna unga veetu waste water full you can use it again for watering. So the corporation ku vandu the waste water deal pandra problem kediyadu. Drinking water shortage koriyum. Number of benefits. So each I call it home gym. If you home gym, you don't need to go to a fitness center. So I told you about water. So I told you the yesterday's waste is today's compost. So as an optimist, I coined slogans like waste is not waste and it is wasted. It is not waste management, wealth management. Don't transfer waste, transform waste. So there are so many things like that. Ultimately, very interesting thing, 98% of our waste is actually they become a resource for some industries. Only 1 or 2% are hazardous in nature, like your battery or mosquito waste, mosquito repellent waste, or your computer waste, petrol. I mean, there are so many automobile waste and electronic waste and all. Now, how much you have every day? You don't have anything. So 98% of waste is excellent raw material for starting a new activity. It's not coming to an end at all. And only this 1 or 2% you need to give to the corporation. So we coined some very positive, these words are coined by me. They are all say organic, inorganic. They'll get dry and wet, natural man. So what I did, I call the one which you can turn into compostable. And what you can recyclable. The third one I call it unable. Okay, unable only you have to give to the corporation. Unable actually will come to 1 or 2%. But sad story is corporation wouldn't handle it properly. You don't worry about it. You are solving 98% of the waste problem. So I think the children who dance so lovely, lovely performance. What is that waiting for them? Already in Beijing, they declare very often holidays, not flood or anything, but air pollution. Delhi is happening, Chennai is happening, and our air quality is every day, becoming bad and beyond. So we need to act now, quick and one thing I don't know. You saw my interview in a few channels about Welcome Corona, and Corona has helped us a lot in containing air pollution, water pollution. First time we saw the animals all coming out of the forest to the trunk roads, main roads. The reason is that we humans think the plant is created only for us. Okay, I think that's what I think. Let me also allow you to ask questions. And our house, we use natural lights, we use natural wind, and everything is fine, fantastic. And I want to finally, before I complete show another 3 minutes video, because in Exnora when I started, he asked a question. Is life is challenging, but life is challenging. Today, thanks to the political system, I want to caution Ramana also. 99,000 out of 10,000 are not good. Okay, let me tell you frankly. And they come and tell you, they pretend. They are all very good actors than the best actors. They cheat you, they embezzle, and you can't trust anyone for that matter. That's a fact. So that's why what I did, I was thinking about this for a long time. Yeah, why human beings are, because there is no leadership. There is no Gandhi now. And whoever the leader whom you see are not role models. That's the point. I don't think anybody good leader is there. The one leader, Nalla Kannu, I see him, dhoti, and people don't know him actually. As much as I know even a new film artist. So what I did, I created 2 Shastra, which I'm releasing. Jivan Shastra, Mani Shastra. I'm not going to talk about it. This will, other Shastras created by Chanakya, I created this. This answers everything. I created 10 windows. These windows make you or unmake. For children, all is a must actually. Parents should use these windows. These windows will, if they keep the windows properly, most are imaginary windows, but these windows will help the parents to bring up the children very well. So I found it out, and I want to say that a person working 20 years with you, so good, but suddenly you find he becoming dishonest. And you can't see because he's got some bad friends, bad people as his friends. Okay. So in this background, because how many, where is Mahatma Gandhi? See, that's a point. So I think we need to all work hard because there are going to be more thuggery, robbery, everything, chain snatching and all is going to happen, and women's safety is going to be a big question mark. So that's why I told all good things begin with me. Every one of us play our respective role. That's what we need to do. So in this, the last video is about oneness. I'm a oneness messiah. I want to tell all people who listen, all good things begin with me, not only with regard to issues of environment, for anything for that matter. Because when I started Exnora, many roads ran into problem. There will be, for example, Brahmin, non-Brahmin, or scheduled caste, Brahmin and non-Brahmin, Telugu, Tamil, or something will come, Hindu, Muslims, Christians. And for me, all are same. Already I have 10, that's what you're going to see. In my flat, I have 10 temples of 10 faiths. And the children all come, your Rock Academy children one day can come. The Christian children go to church, the mosque, Muslim children go, Buddhist children go to Buddha temple, and Jainism is here, and there's a Vrindavan, Lord Krishna, and there's a prayer fire where finally children all assembled. They do common prayer. We give the first few places to Muslim because they have to namaz, and Christians they kneel on their legs. So second, then Hindus and Jains will stand. They together pray, and at the end they all happily laugh and say we are one. So what I am doing, the people are politicians working overtime to divide us in the name of caste, language, religion, and all. I'm a oneness messiah. I told I'm a wordsmith. I'm telling indirectly I'm oneness. I don't differentiate caste, language, religion, or even poor or rich. Okay, my own son-in-law is an Anglo-Indian Christian from Goa. I think all family and all, my family large get together, you will see will be in Andhra Pradesh. Half of them married Telugus. Okay, the lingua franca will be Telugu. I enjoy it. For me, it's no botheration. My sisters, the 2 daughters are married Telugus, and I want to tell you my role. Whenever they marry somebody out of caste, out of language, the parents will be up in the arms. Then I'm called Tirumana Deivam. Okay, I will say, come on, she's not marrying a donkey or okay, she's marrying another human, and she would live with him long, follow him, all. So they all married happily. They all okay, including my son, everybody got intercaste marriage. We didn't see horoscope and all. Another day we will have it. If that video Temple of Temples is there, there will be a super climax. So I want to say about climate change. Climate change, it's not happening. It's happening before us. We have an Exnora tree challenge. I will talk about it 3-4 minutes, and then if you ask any questions, I'll leave it to you. I don't know how far we have taken time, but Ramana, I want to say Exnora tree challenge. We cannot call it Rock Exnora tree challenge. I'll share that. That's why Rock Academy become very powerful. It's really suitable for you. I'll share this PowerPoint. Our chairperson of Exnora, you would love to know, that is A.R. Rahana, and she has been my friend last 35 years. A.R. Rahman was Exnora volunteer. And number two, G.V. Prakash is our brand ambassador. Also, Arya, they're all our brand ambassadors. Now I want to say, what is Exnora Tree Challenge? I'll share with you. This one activity start. You can call it, I'll give you a preference to you, Rock Exnora Tree Challenge. Exnora Tree Challenge. What is that? We only started long ago, but unfortunately due to Corona and all, we are going to continue. Today people want fun. Why? People are, see, Rock Academy teach dance. It provides fun and entertainment, and it's a good exercise. It's so relax. It's a nice way to relax. But what we do, one has to plant a tree and takes a vow that he will nurture it, and then he entertains the plant. I'll share with you. So first thing I'm doing to Ramana Bar, entertain means first he can sing a song, but any plants will tolerate your noise. Voice. Anybody, or he can play a music instrument, or he can sing and play a music instrument, or he can dance. This all we have done already. 3-4 colleges have done. They all challenge. Actually, you can do one of the. If you can't dance, you can play. Whistle. You can do that, or you can paint the tree, or you can praise the tree, or you can worship the tree. There are so many options. You have to do one of the things, and then tell your friend. I think Ramana, you started straightforward this. Okay, one of them should plant a tree, and then it's all very simple. He plants a tree, takes a selfie, and he says, "I plant a tree. I promise to nurture it. I entered the tree. Now I challenge you. It's called Rock Exnora Tree Challenge." Now, so far I've been only Exnora name. Now, first time extending, because Ramana is very special because of his father-in-law. So, and his greatest friend of me is his father-in-law. So I want to say we can do that. I'll tell you. People will question, what is rock? Is R-O-C-K or R-A? So they'll wonder, and it will spread like a wildfire. And you give all the children. So I am challenging each one of you. I'm challenging each. How many trees I would have planted? I'll send this only one thing. You alter it, call it rock. You put your logo and all. Rock Exnora Tree Challenge. You start it today. We made a stamp of A.R. Rahana and G.V. Prakash. You know why? Again, I tell you, it's oneness. I want to tell, for Hindus, Muslims are not enemy. For Muslims, Christians are not enemy. For Christians, Hindus are not enemy. For Tamil, Telugus are not enemy. For Telugus, Kannadas. Who are enemies? Globally, climate change, locally, mosquito and corona. And we are fighting, seeing each other and losing sight of the enemy waiting at doorsteps. So we are not our fault. We are all good once upon a time. No, we are all divided in so many ways. I don't go to TV discussions, because you have to attack somebody. I can't criticize somebody. I can only pat somebody. I can't throw a big bat at somebody. This is my basic quality. That's why I thrived. I attracted a lot of people. I would like to tell you that you can start one activity, and I want to tell the serve and sell concept. Those of the branches who are willing to take up this, they can approach me. We will make them in charge for the Exnora. We can even call it Rock Exnora. But what you do, they can provide information. See, all students learn what I call dance studio. That you can make it available. Sometime it's free for people to gather. How they, I have a program called Mosquito. There won't be mosquito. And incidentally about me, I believe I follow of Vallalar. I don't kill any living insect, even mosquito. I call it Mosquito. Then we have voice against noise. Carrier, courier. I promise you, I'm releasing in USA. There won't be any air pollution in a matter of 10 years time. And then water visor. So water, I take the word water. First water, second word, available to every need really. I found it's not want of water, it's want of water management. The rain so much falls, it all goes to the sea, and the politicians, as usual, they convert the sea water to drinking water. We are penny wise, pound foolish. So we can collect this water, and we can do that. Actually, God gives His water over a terrace. You are so lazy not to use it. The cleanest water, possible water, not the metro water. The water comes on the from the sky. So I would like to say simple things. As parents save money for children, they should save water. Keep the surroundings clean and green. The best thing, because children today, the age of corona, and even about next time you call me, how we can be safe in Corona. And I want to say, you won't believe, I wanted, I made a declaration. Corona should not affect me. I should go as usual, carry on my activity. You know what happened? I got Corona. So Corona, now so many vaccines they are telling about it. No vaccine is successful. But you know, Corona, it came, antibodies come in my body. So that's the best vaccine. I don't need to, except, people be afraid. I can go freely anywhere. I got 13% antibodies in my body. Okay. So now thoughts find their way. Never ever say I'm useless, I'm good for nothing, why God created me, whatever I speak is wrong. Don't say that. I am great. Okay. I'm great. And I'll teach you a mudra neuro mantra. All of you keep your fingers like this. Keep your fingers. Okay. Okay. தமிழ்ல எடுத்துக்கலாம். இது வச்சுட்டு நான் தன்னம்பிக்கையானவன் சொல்லுங்க. வேணா அன்மியூட் பண்ணீங்க. நான் தன்னம்பிக்கையானவன். நான் தன்னம்பிக்கையானவன். நான் தன்னம்பிக்கையானவன். நான் தன்னம்பிக்கையானவன். நான் தன்னம்பிக்கையானவன். அதனால இந்த வரல பிடிச்சி சொல்லி என்ன ஆகும்னா, நீங்க ஒரு இன்டர்வியூக்கு போறீங்க, இல்ல ரோட்ல தனியா போறீங்க, பயம் வந்து டக்குன்னு வரல பிடிச்சா சப்கான்சியஸ் வில் சென்ட் மெசேஜ். உங்களுக்கு ஒரு கரேஜ் கொடுக்கும். நடுவரலுக்கு வாங்க. நடுவரல். நான் சக்தி உடையவன். ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் தேவை. நான் சக்தி உடையவன். சக்தி உடையவன் என்னன்னா, குழந்தைக்கு ரொம்ப டயர்டு, நீங்க டான்ஸ் ஆடணும்னா உள்ள இதெல்லாம் ப்ரோக்ராம் மைண்ட் ப்ரோக்ராம் பண்ணிட்டு ஓரமா உட்காந்து நான் சக்தி உடையவன் ஐ மீன் நல்லா டெய்லி ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணிட்டு நீங்க டான்ஸ் கிளாஸ் போகணும். டயர்டா இருக்கு வச்சுங்க, டக்குன்னு போய் இந்த கண்ணை மூடிக்கிட்டு 5 minutes மைண்ட்ல சக்தி உடையன்னு சொல்லி வரல பிடிச்சா ஆட்டோமேட்டிக் எனர்ஜி வந்துடும். அடுத்தது என்ன வரல? மோதிர வரல் ரிங். நான் சாதனை புரிபவன் சொல்லுங்க. சாதனை புரிபவள் சொல்லுவோம். வெரி குட். அப்படிதான் சொல்லணும். நான் சாதனை அப்படி சொல்லக்கூடாது. நான் சாதனை அப்படின்னா ஐ அம் an achiever சொல்லுங்க. ஐ அம் an achiever சொல்லுங்க. Very good. The child is saying, I'm not able to see the child. Very good. I like it. Okay. அப்படிதான் இருக்கணும். ஓகே. I'm able to. ஓகே. அடுத்தது முக்கியமானது என்னன்னா, இதெல்லாம் வந்தா கர்வம் வந்துடும். கர்வம் வந்தா சுண்டு வரல பிடிச்சிங்க. சொல்லுங்க. நான் அன்பானவன் சொல்லுங்க.
நான் அன்பானவன்.
இல்ல, நான் அன்பானவன் சொல்றேன். நான் அன்பானவன். ஏன்னா வந்து சொல்ற போய் தான் அன்பானவன். You have to say softly. நான் அன்பானவன். நான் அன்பானவன். அப்புறம் ஓகே, இப்படி கை வச்சுங்க. சாரி. வெற்றி நிச்சயம் சொல்லுங்க. வெற்றி நிச்சயம். வெற்றி நிச்சயம். வெற்றி நிச்சயம். அவ்வளவுதான். அது சொல்லுங்க. ஒரே சீக்ரெட் சொல்றேன். சிவாஜி, எம்ஜிஆர் 2 பேரும் இருந்தாங்களே, 2 பேர்ல யாரு பெட்டர் ஆக்டர்? Who is better actor? Shivaji. He was better actor. But MGR was not a better actor. But MGR was a very good public relations man. So MGR என்ன பண்ணாரு? பாட்டெல்லாம் பாண்டாரு. அந்த பாட்டெல்லாம் he programmed it. See, I'll tell you, when you say this, நான் தன்னம்பிக்கைன்னு சொல்லும் போது சப்கான்சியஸ் உங்க பாடியில செல்ஸ் இருக்குல்லையா, அவங்க செல் எடுத்து குளோனிங் பண்ணி you can create another of you. ரமணா பாலாஜியுடைய ஒரு லைஃப் செல் எடுத்து, ஸ்டெம் செல் எடுத்து you can create another bala. They are done for all animals. So cells are listening to you. So when I say I'm useless, you become useless. I'm great. I'm great. Okay. So what happened is that MGR பாண்டாரு. நெஞ்சம் உண்டு நேரம் உண்டு ஓடு ராஜா. சிவாஜி பாண்டார். சட்டி சுட்டதடா கை விட்டதடா அப்படின்னாரு. புதிய வானம் புதிய பூமி எங்கும் பனி மழை பொழிகிற, எங்கே நிம்மதி எங்கே நிம்மதி, அங்கே எனக்கோ இடம் வேண்டும், அங்கே நல்ல நல்ல பிள்ளைகளை நம்பி ஏன் பிறந்தாய் மக. நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா எம்ஜிஆர் பாடி பாடி பாடி, அவர் மலையாளி, பார்ன் இன் கண்டி, இந்தியாவில் வந்து அவருடைய என்ன சொல்றது, அவர் கோமால இருந்தாலும் அவர் யாரும் ஜெயிக்க முடியல. ஓகே, அவர் பாசிட்டிவ் குவாலிட்டி ரொம்ப இன்ஸ்பிரேஷன் ஒன்று அவர் தான். அவர் பாட்டு பூரா நீங்க ஒன்னே வேணாம், உங்க ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்கெல்லாம் வந்து சும்மா உட்காந்துருக்காங்களே, ஒரு எம்ஜிஆர் பாட்டை போட்டு டான்ஸ் ஆட சொல்லுங்க. they'll become fully charged. பாருங்க, நான் ஆணையிட்டால் அது நடந்து விட்டால். இது எல்லாமே சிவாஜி மேல தப்பு இல்லை. சிவாஜி ஹெவியா நல்ல எம்ஜிஆர் நடிக்க முடியாது அந்த கேரக்டர்லாம். எம்ஜிஆர் என்ன பண்ணுவாரு, ரொம்ப சோகம் வந்தா தூணுக்கு பின்னாடி போடுவாரு. பட் சிவாஜி என்ன பண்றாரு, அந்த சீன்ல அப்படியே ஒரு 10 எக்ஸ்பிரஷன் கொடுப்பாரு. அதுதான் என்ன ஆச்சுன்னா, அதே மாதிரி பாருங்க, இவரு இவர் இருக்கார் இல்லையா, டிஎம்எஸ் வாஸ் வெரி கிரேட் சிங்கர். ஒரே ஒரு பாட்டு பண்ணார், காலி ஆயிட்டாரு. நான் ஒரு ராசி இல்லா ராஜா, அப்படியே போயிட்டாரு. ஓகேங்களா. இவர் என்ன பண்ணாரு, மாடி வீட்டு ஏன் படம் எடுத்தார் சந்திரபாபு, டாப்ல இருந்தார். சிவாஜி வீடு அதிகம் மாடி வீடே கட்டினாரு இதுல கிரீன் வெஸ்ட் ரோட்ல. ஆனா அது வீட்லயே போல, இன்ஸ்டால்மெண்ட் ஆகி இறந்துட்டார். அதனால நீங்க ஞாபகம் வச்சுங்க, நீ ஒரே ஒரு மெசேஜ் உங்களுக்கு கொடுக்குறேன். இப்ப நீங்களே எல்லாரும் சொல்லுங்க, ஐ ஆம் கிரேட் சொல்லுங்க. நான் சொல்லுதா, நான் வந்து மார்னிங் தூக்கத்துல எழுதுகிற போது கண்ணை திறக்காதீங்க. கண்ணை திறக்காத ஒரு 2 minutes எவ்ரிடே இன் எவ்ரி வே மை லைஃப் இஸ் பிகமிங் பெட்டர் அண்ட் பெட்டர் சொல்லுங்க. எவ்ரிடே இன் எவ்ரி வே மை லைஃப் இஸ் பிகமிங் பெட்டர் அண்ட் பெட்டர் சொல்லுங்க. 5 தடவை சொல்லுங்க. ஓகே, மீதி டெக்னிக் அப்புறம் சொல்றேன், கேள்வி சொல்றேன். டைம் ஆச்சா தெரியாது. என்ன விஷயம்னா, யாரும் உங்களை தட்டி கொடுத்து யூஆர் கிரேட் சொல்ல மாட்டாங்க. ரமணா சொல்லுவாரு, எல்லாம் சொல்ல மாட்டாங்க. எல்லாம் இப்படி they pour water on our enthusiasm. Okay, but we need to encourage ourselves. Okay, and the confidence to கொடுக்கணும். So I have been doing it, and I didn't tell you about me. And very obscure elementary school, and I didn't manage admission in Loyola College, Pache Pass. I scored third class BCom. I was joined as a clerk, as a bank as a clerk, and the only person not confirmed in service. இதெல்லாம் என்னுடைய thoughts were lower. Short up, ஒரு நாள் சொல்றேன் எப்படி ஆச்சுன்னு. I became manager, and within 6th year I became the best manager. 7th year, 8th year, 9th year I became Indira Gandhi National Award. What happened? Wherever I lost, I make a declaration. So a declaration. When you make a declaration with intent, it will become 100% reality. 100% reality. Very important. And you should never. And what you should do mutually. Somebody is very. I would say in a bad mood, or he feels very timid. You encourage him. That's all. Mutually, you should start mutual motivators club. And I'll share one more PowerPoint called Speak and Peak. The students waiting, they can become very good speakers. I tell you, I told you, I think I speak somewhat well, but I want to tell you all these things. Many things happen in my life. Everything, I would say, declaration with intent. One more thing I want to say, in Giriappa Road, I cleaned up the whole area, and I was very happy. But one day what happened, we had a function in the house. The slum women, they had a brawl. Before Sunday கண்டாபன தமிழ் கெட்ட தமிழ்ல ரொம்ப கட்ட வல்கரா பேசினாங்க. I made a declaration. I must not hear any voice when in my house. Then I bought this flat. I bought 2 flats, and so the one side there are, they put a lefty air passage between wing and 1 and 2. But you won't believe, I moved here last 20 years ago. The opposite 2 flats continuously remained vacant. So that means thoughts find their way. I don't know, some of people are start coming there. Don't tell that to other people, but this is a fact. By thoughts you can correct your life, and thoughts should be shaped, and mutually should help yourselves. I told you so much about thoughts. I am a thought saint, and by thought I achieve my. Last week we had a very big problem, and I only through thought I was able to do that. I think everything is great. Life is great, and whenever you want me, I call it 7th Sense. There's a website, you can go and see that. People was paying very huge money for that program. One day I thought I should not be a knowledge merchant. I stopped at only one program. I want to say I reformed this Velle Ravi Chera, and they were very, but they became very good actually, and all was covered by paper. I think I want to say, if time permits.
Oneness video is ready. Can I play it?
That's what I think with that take. Okay, I hope you all. But only you have made a video, share with other people.
Sure, sir. Arpita, over to you to share the oneness video, and then we will open up for question and answers to the parents.
I think this is not the video. Okay, wrong. Okay, don't worry.
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله.
अरुणाचलेश्वराय नमः.
बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि
हरे राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 ओम नमो हरिहरतारम ओम नमो सिद्धारम ओम नमो.
Actually, I want to tell you, Divakar, this video, the right video, we have a live video.
Okay.
Where the bishop, I'll share it with you. That you share it because at the same time, and all the religious sects said, we are not against any other religion. So what I am doing, I don't like anybody, sowing the seeds of poison in the mind. So I'm doing that. I think you saw that. I would all enjoyed. Somebody has to do. It's like a one-man army. It's all and organization. They will do it. They will do what they like. But it's all my own passion.
Sure. Thank you very much, sir. And there are some parents wants to ask some questions to you. Let us open up the floor for question and answer. So any parent want to ask question, please do unmute yourself and ask questions to Nirmal. Unable to unmute?
Hello.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
சார் என் பேர் கீதாஞ்சலி. ஆக்சுவலா நான் உங்களை வந்துட்டு காலேஜ் டேஸ்ல இருந்து உங்களை பத்தி நான் நிறைய கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கேன் சார். ஸோ ஆல்மோஸ்ட் நான் காலேஜ் முடிச்சு 12 years ஆயிடுச்சு. பட் எனக்கு எப்பவுமே ஷுவர் சார். ஆக்சுவலா எனக்கும் வந்துட்டு கிளைமேட் சேஞ்ச் பத்தி நிறைய தாட்ஸ் எல்லாம் இருக்கும் சார். பட் அந்த தாட்ஸ் எல்லாம் எப்படி வந்துட்டு ஒரு ஆக்டிவிட்டியா கொண்டு வரதுன்னு எனக்கு தெரியல சார். இப்போதைக்கு நான் ஹவுஸ் ஒய்ஃபா தான் சார் இருக்கேன். ஸோ லைக் நான் ஒரு செடி கூட ஒழுங்கா வளர்த்தது இல்லை சார். நான் ஆக்சுவலா வைக்கவேன், பட் அது வளர்ந்தது கூட கிடையாது. பட் அந்த அளவுக்கு தான். பட் எனக்கு பிடிக்கும், பட் அதை எப்படி செய்யறதுன்னு தெரியாது. சோ எனக்கு ஒரு ப்ராப்பர் கைடன்ஸ் இருந்தா எனக்கு நல்லா இருக்கும்னு தோணும் சார். நிறைய யோசிப்பேன் கிளைமேட் சேஞ்ச் பத்தி. இதெல்லாம் ரொம்ப பண்றாங்களே, நம்ம எதாவது பண்ணணும், ஏதாச்சும் பண்ணணும்னு தோணும். பட் என்ன பண்ணணும்னு தெரியாது சார். சோ நீங்க கைட் பண்ணா நல்லா இருக்கும் சார். ஏன்னா கோர்ஸ் மாதிரி நீங்க என்ன பண்றீங்கன்னா சொல்லுங்க சார். நான் கண்டிப்பா ஜாயின் பண்ணேன் சார். எனக்கு ஏதாச்சும் பண்ணணும், பட் என்ன பண்றதுன்னு தெரியல சார்.
ஒண்ணு வேணாமா. என்னன்னா ஜென் ஸ்டோரி. ஒரு ஜென் மாஸ்டர் வராரு. அவரு வெரி குட் ரைட்டர்னுவாங்க. கேட்பா டு யூ வாண்ட் டு ரைட்னுவாரு. எஸ் நோங்க ரைட் சொல்லிட்டு போயிடுவாரு. அவ்வளவுதான். செடி வைக்கிற செடியை வைங்க, அவ்வளவுதான். செடி தானா, செடி ஒன்றும் இல்லைம்மா. செடின்றது It has a strong survival instinct. Water ஊத்துனா போறோம். We will share with you what you can do. I don't know. I can have what I want to tell. I'll tell you quickly, only 2 minutes, about climate change. My idea has been approved as the best idea to reverse climate change. In fact, I'm going to make Greta as the ambassador. I'll tell you just 3 minutes. It's all, who should do? Parents, then pupils, students, then people, then politician. Why you put politician last? Politician think of next election, not next generation. Okay. So I'll tell you quickly. This is first is called TAR. So we have developed. You should not have TAR. TAR means tearing up the planet by pollution, war, and all. Second is what you call fear. I am not going in detail. Fear is about food. Third is one what you call FAR. 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 We are all thinking recycling is good. Actually, recycling is not good because when you recycle a product, suppose you recycle this. Already it has some chemicals, so it's more pollution, it exhausts more natural resources, it causes more pollution. So FAR means, in school they'll say very good FAR. FAR means you should do less recycling. You can recycle what you bought, but you should not keep buying under the pretext it can be recycling. I told you FAR. Then FAR, FAR, FAR. So I think you will understand I'm English T. Rajendra. FAR. What is FAR? Bus fare. Travel simplicity. We should use the public transport. That's all. FAR. Next is BAR. BAR, BAR. What is BAR? How do you like, Ramana? You take up that, introduce. BAR means the planet bears us. If we should bear the planet, how? Using renewable source of energy. There are 10 kinds. I'm using renewable source of energy. BAR. As long as you use renewable source of energy, the planet, Mother Earth will bear you. Next is CARE. What is CARE? Instead of throwing out this all, you won't believe. USA they called me, they gave me big amount award 20 years ago. They said, come on, Nirmal, where is answer for climate change? I said, oh, I should find my answer. Next day morning, I'm getting all this. I'm writing so some divine force is acting on me. I don't know to take care. Care means before throwing out anything, I have a fresh look at it. Whether you can put it to better use of it. New avatar, okay, upcycling. So I'll tell you, for example, one person in the airport, they construct a house, but no space to construct steps. So we gave an idea. You take an unused ladder of the plane, abandoned one. He took it and used it. So we have some 1,000 examples how a product to be abandoned got a better use. Care. Then loss is pure. What is pure? We waste natural resources by using them up. Waste humans by not using it. இயற்கை கனிவுகளை பயன்படுத்தி வீணாக்குறோம், மனித வளத்தை பயன்படுத்தாத வீணாக்குறோம். So you should use more மனித வளம். உதாரணத்துக்கு, if you take head bath, see Malayalis don't use the word head bath. For them, head is included the bath. In Chennai and all, நம்ம வந்து head bathன்றது ஏதோ ஒரு அது வந்து ஹெட் உடம்புல மாதிரி நினைக்கிறோம். அப்படி பண்ற போது வாட் யூ ஷுட் டூ, ட்ரையரோ ஃபேனோ கூட டவல் யூஸ் பண்ணணும். டவல் யூஸ் பண்ணா கைக்கு எக்ஸசைஸ், இங்கே அக்கு ப்ரெஷர், தலைக்கு மசாஜ். ஓகே, அது யூசிங் நேச்சுரல் ரிசோர்சஸ். அந்த மாதிரி மொத்தம் 1000 எக்ஸாம்பிள் வச்சிருக்கோம். வேர் வி ஷுட் பி உல்டா. And if you use more human resource, you don't need to go to fitness center. Home becomes a gym. Okay, and I told you 8. Remember, this 8 is going to be textbook in America. Rock Academy, I'll give it to you. Only thing what you do, this program you organize once Corona is over. You call all the foreign consulates here. Maybe you will call governor, and through governor you conduct the program. We'll give to all the foreign consulates to take this message. See, climate change cannot be fought by governments. Only people should take the lead. And this is, I told you in a nutshell, there are more than 2,000 PowerPoint presentations on change climate change. I told you in a nutshell because you raised the question. It's a time, it's good to ask this question. And planet's days are counted. Arctic 80% gone. Arctic. Okay. And only one thing I want to caution all of you. What's happening now? Antarctic is melting. So again, is getting frozen. But what happens? A lot of water stays back in the sea. And the lowest part, what happens? So much of weight, the sea water weight. The lowest part in the whole of world is near in Indian Ocean, near Andaman and Indonesia. So the more water weight is there. The tectonic plate, there the two plates are meeting. They are very weak. So very often there is going to be earthquake. If there is 3 earthquake, 1 will result in tsunami. So we have come very near. And tsunami comes. One of the hit list is Chennai. Nagapattinam, Kadalur, Nagapattinam, and what you call Karaikal, and then Kadalur, Pondicherry, then Chennai, then Andhra. So all these places will be, even Sri Lanka will all be affected. So I think who will do that? Come on, tell me, who will do that? So I am, still I am talking like a Christian missionary, okay? But you should all take up. Now, what I suggest, Ramana, one tree challenge will start today. I'll send this altered one. You all design the way. And one more thing you can do, all the children plant tree. You know, there are your version of dance and all. It will become viral. And the rock will become viral. Today, call me thank, because we are going to now relaunch it. I'm relaunching it today. Second is change, climate change. You can organize, you can introduce to Chennai public, you can call whomever you want. And but only thing, take our approval. You know, somebody are controversial, you should not. So climate change will be reversed, I promise you. And we carry out Amazon in the backyard. We are going to increase the forest cover of Chennai by 33%. Wherever you want, I want to tell you, all your branches head can call me. Some of the places we don't have Exnora chapters. We will make them Exnora leaders. And I can tell you that will overtake you, your Killbox studio. Serve and sell.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. And any other parent has any question? I have one question in the chat window.
Yes, so I'm Jagdish here.
Jagdish, yeah.
Yes, sir. So I'm so inspired about rock Exnora, sir. So
today a marriage has taken place. Okay.
எனக்கு இன்னும் அது ராக் எக்ஸ்ப்ளோர் சேலஞ்ச் பத்தி கொஞ்சம் டீடைலா சொன்னீங்கன்னா நல்லா இருக்கு சார்.
ஒரே நிமிஷம். சரி, மரம் நடுறது, இப்போ வந்து மரம் நடுறதுன்னா யாரோ நினைக்கிறாங்க, யாரோ நடுவாங்க நினைக்கிறாங்க. அதான் ஆல் குட் திங்ஸ் பிகின் வித் மீ. ஜனங்களுக்கு மோட்டிவேஷன் தேவைப்படுது. டுடே எனிதிங் யூ சே, அவனா சொல்றான் ஐஸ் பக்கெட்டை மேலே போடுறான், ரோட்ல இறங்கி கார்ல டான்ஸ் ஆடு, ஏதாவது ஃபன் இருந்தாதான் அது. ஐ டெல் யூ ஒன் திங், திஸ் ராக் எக்ஸ்ப்ளோர், ஐ am a saint, is going to be global. I tell you, rock explorer will become global, because you know the biggest fun you are giving. See the girl, how she danced the terrace. If she does a dance like that, planted a tree, and I had done an Exnora tree challenge, you do that, I'll tell you what will happen. And I tell you, all your students' parents, ask them each one to plant a tree. Let them challenge anybody, and ask Ajit Vijaya to dance if possible without a dance master. And I'll tell you, there are plenty of things. See, one lady planted a tree, and she made so much such a tree that she told the tree, you are giving this, giving that, and like that. You can talk generally, trees are giving what is that. And you can say, tree, can I become you and become a friend? You can, you know, try a Rocky, the tree. So, we are given a lot of options, because this all, you know, innovation is the name of the game. So what we did, we wanted to somehow make tree planting is a fun. A fun is needed. No, fun means Rock Academy comes to my mind. So instantly it occurred in my mind. So I challenged how many. I think now only 26 are there. So 26 have taken the challenge. I accepted the challenge. Correct? I have accepted the challenge. Say yes. Unmute and say yes.
Yes, sir. Yes,
okay.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
rock will rock our whole thing. Okay, tell me. Yeah.
Yes, sir. I really want to take the challenge, the session itself. Okay. I have 4 trees now. I will plant it now itself.
You plant and follow the. No, what I'll do, I'll send it to Sandhya and Ramana. I'll send you a Temple of Temples video and also tree challenge. You all get it shared. I tell you one thing, Ramana, you are my son. I tell you, this is second birth of Rock Academy. You see, it will skyrocket. It will go everywhere. I'm going to tell my children, grandchildren. I'll give their phone number. You can challenge them also. And what will happen when you challenge rock? You know, you have to say rock expert. They will ask what is rock. You have to give the website, and you will become sitting in Kiel Park. You'll be, you know, teaching dance in Germany, England, everywhere. Because everyone, and you will take also, I'll license you to take change climate change to Germany, Canada, any nation. Okay, you are very special. I told you, because Sadagapan, Ravindran, and Ramana, all these are very, very dear to dear. We love them so much.
Thank you, sir. One more question we have.
Sir, just want to say something. What I've observed is, like, you know, you're giving us a great content to, you know, evolve, keep on evolving ourselves, and also to the society. So that's what, like, you know, I'm observing from mind here. So it was a great pleasure for me to joining this call and getting something out of it. So thank you so much, sir.
Somebody asked a question. Yeah.
Thank you, Satish, for sharing your thoughts. And one parent have posted, sir, because they got inspired with your 1,700 plants, but again they have a very interesting question. Is that how did we handle that insects in the home? If it is what kind of precautions which you have to take it? Any natural insect repellent is required when we grow indoor plants? That's the question.
I'll tell you, if you fear for something, we'll never start something. Okay. I'll tell you only one anecdote. ஒருத்த போய் சாமியார்ட்ட கேட்கறான், காட்டில் வாழ்வது நல்லதா நாட்டில் வாழ்வது நல்லதா? சாமியார் சொல்ல, அல்ல சந்தேக காட்டில் வாழ்றதா, காட்டில் இருக்கிறதா நல்லதுன்றார். என்ன சாமியார், காட்டில் போனா சிங்கம் வரும், புலி வரும், நரி வரும், நாட்டிலாம் வராது. அவர் சொல்றார், படையா காட்டில் சிங்கம் வந்தா சிங்கம் வருது தெரியும், புலி வருது, நரி வருது தெரியும். நாட்டில் மனுஷன் வந்தா சிங்கம் வருதா, புலி வருதா, நரி வருதா, எல்லாம் சேர்ந்து ஒன்னா வருதா அப்படி. அதாவது you have to be scared of human beings, not the insects is natural part. When the insects won't bother you, you still worried. There are organic, what you call repellents are there. I told you I believe in a science thing not to kill anything, including cockroach. Okay, I am a very special person. Okay, I'm a combination of all good people. This for mosquito and all, neem oil, you mix with water and spray it on the plant. It won't take hide shelter. But for me, I know insects. Okay, I'll send you other videos. It's very beautiful. We enjoy both worlds. I live in like a house, totally independent. At the same time, this. Let me show you. I don't know. Are you able to see the plants there? Vijay, are you able to see that?
Yes.
Yes.
I'm able to see the plants. Yes.
One minute. இதெல்லாம் இந்த கொரோனா தண்ணிலாம் ஊத்த முடியல, அப்படியே வளருது. 1 minute. லார்ட் கிருஷ்ணா பிளான்ட்லாம் மூடிச்சு. So I think I'll tell you, to make the long story short, you start home Explora in your home, and the areas which you want to start rock Explora branch, you can start it, and then they have to apply to us and take permission. We have a Rotary Explora, Alliance Explora and all. And one more thing I want to say, that tree challenge is the one which will, what will happen automatically. Tree challenge is very Explora attractive word. Rock, what is rock? They'll definitely become inquisitive and immediately. Sir,
cannot hear anything from you.
So we keep serving. You don't need to serve. People wait.
Are not able to hear.
Three line before you to buy from you, only from you, and because they know this rock is, it's there. They are good. They are capable. They are good. The three things, if they come to know of you, you are unstoppable.
Sure, sir. Thank you very much, sir. It was an amazing session. We really enjoyed it. And over to Ramana for vote of thanks. Thank you very much, sir.
What to say about you, sir? I had the opportunity to come to your home several times. I have seen. Not able to hear me? Diwakar, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Yes, we can see.
Okay. Now, I had the opportunity to meet Nirmal sir in his home several times. I've been there.
Now, one minute. Nirmal sir is not able to hear. Let him get it.
Yeah, I'll wait.
I'm not able to hear.
Can you hear me, sir? Now, can you hear me, Nirmal sir?
Now you speak.
Yeah.
Now you can speak. Yeah.
Okay, brilliant. I had the opportunity to meet Nirmal sir at his home. Several times I've been to his place. One thing I would like to share, if you go to any home, you have plants. Even I have some plants in my home. But if you go to this house and see the house, you will see all the plants with a smile. You might wonder how these plants are smiling, because you will see greenery everywhere. You will not see a dry plant over there. That is not possible. Those who grow plants, you know this. There's a secret. It is not just watering the plant, like Nirmal sir said. You dance for the plant, you sing for the plant. He is a person, apart from watering, he is showering his love, sitting there. So it is called a language. He knows a language. He knows the language of the universe. So this is what I have learned from him. So whoever we meet, right? We take something from them. And a person like him, he is a doer. He is a man of action. I cannot imagine, frankly saying, I cannot imagine how a person can have this kind of a thought and who can put it in action and who can inspire and influence people. It's Explora as an army. And at the same time, he's so simple. It's like, okay, take Explora, add rock and do this and you grow. Look at the attitude, look at the oneness. This is called oneness. It is like Great inspiration, sir. It is not easy to create a brand and giving a brand just word of mouth. Oh, take it. That is what I say true oneness. That is what I say you operate in infinity. What I mean by infinity is you don't hold, you don't limit yourself. Mr. Divakar keeps telling me, Mr. Divakar is an NLP trainer. He keeps telling me that don't have a border. If you're going to have a border, it can be anything. It can be an art. It can be a language. It can be anything. You can limit yourself. But rub the border. Open it up. Open your mind. Get connected. If you open your mind, you know the track. You know the pathway. How to. You will get the access towards universal language. If you have that wow moment, I don't think you'll become unstoppable like him. Sir, you are a great inspiration to me. And today, I've seen you several times. And today is a great take from you. That I have to be, I'm telling you right now in front of the audience here, in case I build a house, if I have an opportunity to build a house, I will make sure I will bear the planet. Like you said, right? I will bear the planet in the sense, I will make sure I will not, I will have my own electricity. I will use things which is favorable for the planet. This is a promise I'm making here. And thank you for this great inspiration. I think I will definitely take it and I will take it. I'll take the baton from you. And to my best, I will deliver it. Thank you so much, sir.
I want to say inspiration is caught, not taught. Inspiration is caught, not taught.
True,
sir. True, very much.
A few words from your end.
Yeah, I feel, sir, today's session, the people whoever has attended are blessed, sir. Around 30 people, and some of them are not able to join, but anyway, we are going to post this good message in YouTube, and we are going to promote this in a bigger way. And we are really blessed to have you over here. Every word from you is really motivating for us. And most of our kids are also attended. I would like to summarize 3 big things which I have learned in today's session from you is that how the conscious and subconscious mind works and how to talk to our subconscious mind with the 5 senses. And you gave a brilliant tip for us. When we wake up in the morning, the first thing by closing our eyes, talk 2 things which is good about us. And the third thing you also nicely put us about on what kind of a home tree challenge which we have to take it forward for the rock. And above all, that as you blessed Rock today, I hope that we become an international organization to take it forward, sir. I think that has come from your mouth. I hope Ramana and team will achieve greater heights in the near future to take Rock into a bigger way. So my request to all the parents to take this tree challenge. We are going to bring it as part of Rock students. And as well as thanks to the entertainment team who have organized this session and giving me an opportunity to moderate today. I think I consider that as a blessing today, because for the last 16 sessions, 15 sessions Sandhya used to do. I think nature has decided me to host this session because of the love to interact with you, sir. I consider this as a blessing for me to be as an host. It's a thank you, Ramana, for this opportunity. I really love the conversation with Nirmal sir today. Thank you very much. And thank you all the parents for being with us. And thank you very much for your blessing, sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot. And with this, we will conclude today's session. Thank you very much for all the audience to be over here.
Thank you so much, sir.
I think this talk is there in Rock Talks in our YouTube channel, which we will share you. So definitely, I think this is a memorable moment what we had today, what we witnessed today. So we have the recording of this. I think we will circulate to all our parents. We have a team base of 2,500 parents are there. So we will circulate to everybody. I think everybody will benefit out of this. So thank you, parents and children.
2,500 parents, you challenge them, and 2,500 parents, it will multiply effect. Air pollution will go down. Okay, very good. Very good, excellent.
Thank you all. With this, we
conclude today's session. Thank you, sir.